aside from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
What's up, YouTube? Today we have traded the FPV goggles for us a headset. We're out here flying this beast today, doing some filming. We might do a little bit of night flying with the drones later. We'll see. Check back. I take that back.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Hey guys, I got my new X-Class drone. I'm gonna start racing. What y'all think?
There goes a sight from my soul.
So, same day, I just put on a hoodie, so y'all don't get too excited. This ain't gonna be a 2-day vlog, but y'all might can tell a little bit in the background of what might be fixing to happen up in here. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, I'm waiting on the boys to get here. They're on their way. We're gonna be knocking it out here in just a little bit. So check back. Here comes the boys. They almost here. Oh snap, we got the whole crew coming up in here. Oh, look at that. Who else we got? We got Risky Biscuits. Justin, what's up? Insane to Sane.
I can feel it.
So how shitty would that have been if I just moved a second? I'm up there and I lose goggle power.
Dude,
yeah. So I'm
because
like,
there's no way you could come back. I mean, turn back on and it might go back to your channel.
No, but not even that. This is the fact that it's now doesn't even work. So I would like.
And we're back. What's up, guys? We have flown outside. It started raining. Now we're gonna rip in the parking garage.
Rip things apart in the parking garage.
Whiskey biscuits. Insane to say. Justin.
It's time to play the music. It's time to light the light. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight. Why do we always come here? I guess we'll never know. It's like a kind of torture to have to watch the show.
I'm so tired, I feel drunk. It's 12:09, midnight, it's high noon. Why y'all?
It's the wrong noon.
Somebody close out my video for me.
Like and subscribe to Tag FPV.
Somebody close it. Thank you. Like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.